we need carbs if you're active. Yan. So, tatawagin po natin Coach Cheng Gilyarte. Take it away, sis.
Thank you so much, Coach Gina. Magandang umaga po sa lahat na nandito sa Zoom at sa mga nasa FB Live. Magandang umaga po. Ayan po, I would like to share po ang aking amazing transformation journey sa Herbalife. So ako po si Cheng Gilyarte, 32 years old, a present mom of two, and um, from Pasig. So ginamit ko po yung products for weight loss, for sports nutrition, as a Dragon Boat athlete, and sa aking two healthy pregnancies. Of course, with the approval of my OB as my nutrition partner, my prenatal supplements during my pregnancy, and up until now sa aking second journey ng breastfeeding for 3 years and 3 months. Amazing. And bukod po sa healthy breakfast, the Aloe Tea Shake, ang aking top favorite products ay Formula 2 vitamins and minerals, Formula 3 personalized protein powder, NRG, Extra Cal, Nightworks Herbalife line, and of course, Rebuild Strength. Kaya po ako ay nakalos ng total of amazing 60 pounds and 10 inches on my waistline. So ang background ko po dati, ako po ay isang licensed special education teacher. So with the special education, sa pagiging special education teacher, of course, yung mga bata kailangan ng special needs. So kailangan mo din ng special extra energy. But during my teaching years, because of that, nakadevelop ako ng stress eating habits, very irritable, masungit, and hindi ko rin po nagustuhan na meron akong fixed schedule, may mga deadlines, fix yung salary, di ba? So, pati yung mga ginagawa mong work sa school, iuuwi mo pa sa bahay. But, I am very grateful na I found a solution with Herbalife. Kaya po ako ay nakagain ng knowledge, ng education about fitness, wellness, kaya po I develop yung healthy, active lifestyle, freedom of time, and I can work now anytime, anywhere around my family and my kids. And I am now a present parent, a present mother, and of course, yung financial freedom. So I am very excited na maging stronger in my aging years, di ba? So not just healthy and fitter and healthier, but stronger for not just for ourselves, of course, para din sa ating family. And I am very grateful din na naka-found ako ng second family, which is this wellness community na meron with Herbalife. And hindi lang po amazing transformation ang aking na-gain, but of course, with the other side, which is the business opportunity. That's why I am very excited to live my best life with Herbalife. So yan po, let's start with our topic for this morning, carbohydrates and exercise. Why you need carbs if you're active. So this article po is from Dana Ryan, a sport performance and education. She is the director of sport performance and education. So let's watch this video po muna about carbohydrates with Susan Bowerman.
Carbohydrates are one of the big three macronutrients, along with protein and fat. When you eat carbohydrate, it enters your bloodstream in a form called glucose, which is your body's preferred source of fuel. And your brain, in fact, relies on carbohydrate for energy. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and dairy products are some of the best sources of carbohydrates. When people say that carbohydrates are bad or should be avoided, they're usually talking about sugars and refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, and noodles. Limiting your intake of sugar and refined carbohydrates is generally a good idea, though, because the calories can add up quickly, and these foods don't offer much in the way of vitamins, minerals, or fiber. but you still want to give your body the carbohydrate that it needs from the better sources.
Alright. Sana po may napulot kayo with that short video about carbohydrates. So we need to find the right sources of carbohydrates. And of course, balanced nutrition po is important sa exercise. But yung carbohydrates ang i-highlight natin. So it's a key for maintaining yung peak performance mo kapag ikaw ay nag-e-exercise or you are having your physical activity. And in fact, yung carbohydrates, yan yung important source of fuel sa isang athlete's na diet. So lahat po tayo, take note, ay athlete. We have our athlete in us. Yan po ang sinabi ni Dr. Dana Ryan. And of course, hindi rin mawawala yung common misconception na yung carbohydrates ay masama. Diba sabi, ay huwag ka mag-carbs, bad yan, di ba? But marami po tayong pagpipilian na healthy carbohydrates. Kaya hindi po dapat tayong umiwas sa carbs or matakot sa carbs. And ito po, pag-usapan natin yung top 4 reasons bakit beneficial sa atin and bakit hindi nga natin dapat iwasan ang carbohydrates. So number 1 po, carbohydrates fuel the brain and muscles. So main source of energy po ng ating brain ang carbohydrates. And para po mag-function ng maayos ang ating katawan. And also po ang carbohydrates ay nagfu-fuel sa ating central nervous system and of course sa ating muscles. Kaya para po ma-imagine nyo, isipin nyo na lang po na kung sa inyong sasakyan, nilalagyan nyo po ng gasolina para ito ay umandar, ganun din po sa ating katawan. Kasi po yung katawan po natin ay nagsusstore ng carbohydrates sa ating muscles para maging glycogen. And then, yung glycogen po ay magagamit po siya para po sa ating muscles, pag kailangan po iyon. And doon po nakakatulong para po ma-delay yung mga fatigue and para din po masustain yung ating mga kapag ikaw ay nag-workout ng mahaba or yung mga nagsusports, yung mga competitive sports, yan. So yun po ang nakakatulong sa atin yung carbohydrates. So number 2 po, carbohydrates prevent muscle breakdown. So kailangan po natin ng adequate carbohydrate intake para po ma-prevent yung muscle breakdown. And kailangan po nating palayain yung protein para gawin niya yung main job niya na mag-repair at mag-rebuild ng muscle tissue. Kasi kapag nilimit po natin yung carbohydrates, yung protein po ay hindi niya magagawa yung main job niya. Instead, ang gagawin po ay magiging energy po siya to build the lean muscle. So, hindi niya po magagawa yung main job niya to repair and rebuild. So, we need a balance and adequate carbohydrates para po yung protein ay magawa din po yung kanyang main job. So, yung according to Dr. Dana Ryan, if you are a professional athlete, kailangan, nire-recommend niya ay ang high-carb diet. Kasi kailangan yun sa endurance, sa stamina, para masustain yung daily demands nung training tsaka nung exercise. Yan. And if we are on a general fitness program, so yung mga hindi naman talagang intense ang exercise, pwede natin ma-meet yung needs natin by consuming yung balanced diet ng 45 to 55% ng calories na galing sa carbohydrates. So, yun ay 3 to 5 grams ng carbohydrates per kilograms ng body weight per day. Okay? So again, 3 to 5 grams po ng carbohydrates per kilogram ng iyong body weight per day. Okay, so yun po yung kailangan nating carbohydrates. And number 3 reason why carbohydrates is beneficial. So carbohydrates before a workout will boost your performance. So kapag nafe-feel mo sluggish ka, low energy during workout, ibig sabihin nun, hindi tayo nag-fuel ng sufficient carbohydrates. So kailangan nating mamili ng mga snacks na high in carbohydrates and easy to digest, such as bananas. And of course, yan, meron tayong hinighlight dyan ng Formula 1 Sport. And of course, para po yung mga snacks na yon ay makatulong ma-maintain yung optimal levels ng blood glucose sa ating muscles. And take note po, if you choose yung mga foods na high in fiber and fat, it can cause po na gastrointestinal distress and kailangan po natin siyang i-avoid kapag malapit ka na pong mag-exercise. Okay? So yun po. And last reason is carbohydrates accelerate recovery. Ayan. So kapag nag-consume po tayo ng carbohydrates after exercise, it will help replenish yung energy na ginamit natin during that strenuous exercise. So, kapag more than 1 hour yung exercise mo, yun talaga yung kailangan ng extra attention sa pag-refuel ng carbohydrates. And take note, muscles need protein and carbohydrates to properly recover and become stronger. Okay? So talagang beneficial ang carbohydrates. So I would like to highlight this product, the Herbalife Rebuild Strength, that has 24 grams of whey and casein protein, and it supports lean body mass, only 190 calories. Of course, this can help you to maintain lean muscle mass and to support muscle recovery. Ayan. So kung hindi mo pa natatry, i-add to cart mo na yung Rebuild Strength na napakasarap habang nagre-recover after workout. Ayan. So, ito lang po ang iiwan ko sa inyo. Whether if you are an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or you are just trying to lose pounds, di ba? Carbohydrates are an important part of an optimal diet for consistent performance and recovery. So instead po na mag-cut carbs tayo completely, let's choose the right carbohydrates before and after our workouts, and we will be surprised that once we change our relationship with carbohydrates, we will perform and feel better. So that's why we only choose the best of the best products, the quality, the number 1 Herbalife, because it's a super brand in the Philippines and number 1 in the world in meal replacement, protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. Happy Tuesday po sa inyong lahat and take care!
Yes, may take care pa. Thank you so much, Coach Cheng. So, ayan, malinaw ha, huwag katakutan ng carbohydrates. Huwag puro protein kasi kailangan din natin ng carbohydrates.